Now we got the stem and everything on there. Isn't completely tightened down. I'm about to get the bars on there. Brakes set up. We moving. We're on the move right now with this build. It's fun.
Think I may be losing my mind. Oh, I already lost it. Already lost it. Damn, I may be losing my mind. Now don't tell me that I lost it. That I lost it.
All right. Got that head. Can't even talk. Headset cups out. I cleaned them out with some my little wire brush. You can see came out pretty cleanly. Wasn't too hard either. Didn't even need no tool or nothing. Gonna get some lube in there. We're gonna first make sure this headset conversion kit is the right stuff. Hadn't even opened it yet. This is what we got. You got your headset cap. Star nut, comes with a spacer, dust cover, and then you have your top cup, seal bearing with compression ring on there. Then we got the crown race to put on the fork, and then the bottom cup and bearings. I think I'm actually going to use the bearings from the headset probably. Here's the headset. I don't know, these just look a little better. Let's make sure they fit first before I try to use anything. Let's look at these. Basically the same thing. Why is this one a little bigger? See, the one from the Fiction Savage, it's a little wider than this one from the Mission conversion kit. Let's see if those will work in there. Let's pull this out. It's supposed to fit any campy style. They don't fit in there flush though. Isn't it supposed to go flush? I don't know. Fits in there the same way this fits in there. So yeah. Mission conversion kit. Like I said, I'm going to use these. These look a little better. I got some extra bearings though. I can use. So that's how that's going to be. Let's make sure this works. That's the crown race. Go on there. It's gonna go on the fork. Bearing. Cut. Yeah, that kind of squirrels in there real good. Fits in there nice. Gotta lube it up. Lubrication on that situation. Alright, so that's the bottom. Bottom cup. So now, this is gonna be top cup. See, they're different size. I wonder why they're different size. Top cup. Hold on. Did I get them mixed up? I think this is the bottom actually. Yeah. This is the bottom. This. Yeah. That's the bottom. That. Then top cup. Bam. That. Hope I'm doing this right. Should be doing it right. This is the top cup. It's gonna go like this. Compression cap. And that goes. I wonder why does it have that extra ring in there? Yeah. Then that's gonna go like that. Yeah, bam. What did I just do at the bottom? Okay. Bam. Wham, bam. That's my new setup, ladies and gentlemen. Learn something new every day. This is my first time ever doing this. It's gonna be fun. But bill's coming right along. Alright. I'll be able to use, if I want to change the headset, I'll be able to use the campy style with this mission conversion kit. So I like that. I wish they had a 1-inch version. I'm cool with the threaded headsets. I found some cool ones anyway. But all right, let's get to it. Legal. Okay, we got the headset, the mission conversion headset installed. So we can put any style campy threadless integrated headset. So it's technically integrated. We got our Fiction Savage headset on there. I didn't put the mission, I just used the mission cups, but I used the crown race, the bearings, dust cap from the Fiction Savage headset kit. Then I just got some cheap spacers from Amazon, and it came with a cap. It actually came with 2 sets for $10. So I got another headset spacer set. Anyway, now we got the stem and everything on there. Isn't completely tightened down. I'm about to get the bars on there, brakes set up. We moving. We're on the move right now with this build. It's fun. Got that star nut in a fork. It wasn't the easiest, but I got it in there. No tool. I got my crown race homemade tool, my homemade cup installer, you know, a bunch of DIY stuff. But we almost done with this fat quad clone. I just need my fat wheels. I bought the wrong size, but we gonna run these for at least a month before we get the 3.5s. But anyway, back to the build. Bars coming. Let go.